Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade beef stock. First, gather about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, preferably marrow or knuckle bones for the best flavor. You'll also need some aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Roasting these ingredients before simmering is key to developing a deep, rich color and incredible taste for your stock. This simple step makes all the difference. To begin, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your beef bones and chopped vegetables such as 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion on a baking sheet. Roast them for about 30 minutes or until they are nicely browned. This roasting process caramelizes the ingredients, adding layers of complex flavor to your stock that you just can't get otherwise. Don't skip this step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking tips. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, quick recommendation. Stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you're simmering that stock. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once roasted, transfer the bones and vegetables to a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the ingredients are fully submerged. Add a bay leaf, about 10 whole peppercorns, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to help extract minerals. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for at least 6 to 8 hours, skimming any foam that rises. Strain and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.